Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chrysler 300 steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's negative battery terminal. Then, wait at least 15 minutes for the airbag system to fully discharge, preventing accidental deployment. Make sure your front wheels are perfectly straight and the steering column is locked. Gather your tools, including a 10mm socket, ratchet, and a flat blade screwdriver. This careful preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process. Next, you will focus on safely removing the airbag module. Locate the two 10mm screws on the back of the steering wheel, one on each side. Use your 10mm socket and ratchet to remove these screws. Gently pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel. Carefully disconnect the yellow electrical connectors for the airbag and the horn connector. Store the airbag face up in a safe, cool place away from any heat sources. Now prepare to detach the steering wheel itself. Remove the large center bolt, which is typically a 10mm Allen screw, securing the wheel to the steering column. Before pulling the wheel, it is crucial to mark its exact position relative to the steering shaft to ensure proper alignment during reinstallation. If the wheel is stubborn, use a steering wheel puller. Be very careful not to rotate the clock spring mechanism, as this can cause damage. With the center bolt removed, gently pull the steering wheel straight off the shaft. Carefully feed any remaining electrical connectors through the opening in the wheel. Take a moment to inspect the clock spring for any signs of damage and ensure it remains centered. Proper clock spring alignment is vital for your vehicle's electrical systems. Reassembly is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and the wheel is correctly aligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.